The digital economy track took us from simply adapting to digital change to actively leading it. I already knew data is key, but this reinforced its urgency. We didn't just learn tools, we learned to challenge analysis, navigate biases, and translate data into action. Getting insight on how AI is reshaping customer behavior, much like early search engines, is eye-opening. Ultimately, the track gave me the strategic mindset to connect the dots across the business and make confident, responsible tech decisions in the age of AI.
What I've really enjoyed about the MSM Summer School is that the courses feel very relevant to the world we're entering as business leaders. Sustainability accounting and digital finance go beyond traditional accounting and finance and show how these areas connect to technology, transparency, climate responsibility, and better decision-making. I also liked how we worked through complex ethical issues in class, including the tension between sustainability goals and today's geopolitical environment, and how biases in AI models risk perpetuating discrimination in the banking system. As a Canadian student studying in the Netherlands, I've also really valued learning alongside classmates from around 10 different nationalities who bring different experiences, perspectives, and ideas from all over the world.
I'm Georgiana, and after nearly 20 years of building my business largely on intuition, I reached the point where I needed real structure. That's why I joined the entrepreneurship program. It is incredibly applied and immersive. We aren't just learning theory, we are really actively dissecting live businesses, and these are business challenges. This hands-on approach, combined with the rich cultural diversity of my cohort, brings massive added value to my way of thinking and how I look at the future.
Hello, my name is Pedro Farfan, and I'm studying global business. I come from a background of tech and sales, and I always thought it would be more like numbers and spreadsheets. And I was very pleased to discover that it's more about people. How people come together from different backgrounds, from different cultures, companies working together to build something. Especially for me, that I come outside of the Netherlands, it is very personal and motivating.
Hi everyone, I'm Fahad. My experience in the Innovative Leadership course has been very valuable and inspiring. The course helped me understand that leadership today is not only about managing people, but also about encouraging creativity, adapting to change, and turning new ideas into real impact. I especially appreciated the practical discussions and the different perspectives shared in class, which helped me reflect on how innovation can shape a better leadership decisions.
Being here in a wonderful environment, MSM provides us with a great experience. It reminds me of my studies I had in Hungary back in 2000. Structure-wise, it is well built up as the curriculum allows us to meet different lecturers from different parts over the world. I also like the diversity from the student side, as we can share our experiences we take from our home countries, as well as can build relationships that hopefully last longer than the 2-week summer university.
Hi, I'm Alinda, and basically I chose the Global Business Dynamics Expertise track because I found the core structure very versatile. International business provided a strong foundation of knowledge and also insights already in the beginning of the track. This supported the rest of the courses. Through the Strategic Alliances module, we were able to apply all this knowledge in a practical framework, basically to understand the cross-nation collaboration. And then the trade in international services had added a hands-on economic perspective. Also, the insights shared by the guest speakers and the site inspection in the Geodis distribution center in Venlo both added a practical value to the course.
Hi, I am Sagar Agrawal, an MBA Digital Economy student. I'm really enjoying the MBA Summer School. We are exploring some of the most relevant topics in business today, combining customer experience, finance, and AI. We have even been learning to code and build our own AI agents, which has been really exciting. It's also a great opportunity to work alongside people from different countries, and that makes our discussions much more richer and much more holistic.